Aquarius, how you guys doing? I hope you all are happy, healthy and safe, following the rules and guidelines of the government. Okay, so guys, this is the reading for situationship Aquarius. Okay, what you are dealing with, what you are going through. Okay, it might be related to career, it might be related to relationship, it can be both also. Okay, so yeah, guys, if you wish to donate via PayPal and Google Pay, the details are given in the description box below. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to support my channel with the help of donation, you can. Third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. And the fourth most important thing, guys, is that if you want to book a reading for 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so yes, we'll be using clarifiers later on. Okay. Oh, it might be related to finance, because I cannot see any love here right now, Aquarius. Okay, you are really juggling between financial stuff right now. Okay, so yeah. Oh, correct. Definitely. Definitely, guys, you are juggling into your financial world a lot. Oh, okay. Let's start, guys. Kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers. Ask your family, friends and relatives to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, and comment down below if you like this reading or if this resonated with you. Guys, you are dealing with a major shit when it comes to your financial world. Okay, your finances are stuck up, you are holding back your finances because you are struggling with a lot of financial issues right now. Okay, your financial life is very much unstable. Okay, a major imbalance is going on into your financial life currently. Okay, and you are holding on, you are just waiting for the right time to that you should get a lot of money and all that, but a lot of issues are going on into your financial world right now. Okay, I think in the past also reading I did, there was a lot of sneaky energies, sneaky behaviors when it comes to your job or into your business, something like that. Politics were going on. I think you moved away from those sneaky energies in the past. Okay, and now you are releasing all those burdens and all those problems, whatever shit was going on into your job, into your business world. You are releasing all those shit. You are no more dealing with those shit anymore. You are really disappointed at the same time. You are just completing that thing that you just don't want to think about those politics or those sneaky energies which were around you externally into your environment. Okay, you are really worried about your financial world, you are really worried about your finances, and you are, I think there is some sort of dominating energy. I think there is some sort of boss involved in, boss or a manager or something like that. They are really creating a lot of havoc into your life. If you are into job, then yes, definitely, like some sort of leadership person is really creating a lot of problems. Okay, so that's why you are juggling between two choices, two connection, two decision, two direction, whether you want to stay into the same job, into the same place, into the same situation, or you want to move forward, because there is a lot of team up energy, collaboration might happen into your life. Okay, so major opportunities might be waiting for you, which involves a lot of collaboration, lot of team up energy. Okay, yes, building up together, collaborating. Okay, so you feel like you want to move forward, you don't want to stay into this energy or stay into this situation anymore, emotionally or mentally. You just want to move forward towards your wish fulfillment. Okay, towards your new life, new beginning. Okay, so yeah, let's clarify what's going on with this. Oh my god. Again, you have a grounded energy. You are really worried about your financial issues, financial parts. Okay, really a lot of stuck energy is there into your financial world. Major issues are going on into your financial life, Aquarius. And you are manifesting a lot of money. You might be, going through some healing, you must be using some mantras, you must be using, some healing sublimals, you must be using something on a spiritual level to manifest this, money related issues, to solve this. You must be praying to God that, this kind of, money related issues can be solved. Okay, so yeah, I think you will be regaining your power back. You will be taking a risk to move forward into your life. You will be taking a leap of faith, and you will be taking a risk, major risk you will be taking in the upcoming weeks, upcoming months, and you will be moving forward into your life. Okay, yes, that involves a new beginning into your life, new beginning. Some of you might be getting, marriage proposals as well, related to marriage commitment or something like that. But yeah, you are now, no, right now, no, not thinking about it, because you are, really worried about your own happiness, or own stability, own financial stability. Okay, so yeah, lot of new opportunities are there, but there is a lot of stuck energy when it comes to a movement. Someone cannot move from one place to another place. Okay, some sort of a lot of issues are going on when it comes to movement. Stuck up energy when it comes to movement. It might be related because this epidemic is going on right now, right? Due to that, this thing is happening. Stuck up energy when it comes to movement, moving from one place to another place, moving from one geographical area to another geographical area, moving from one location to another location. So a lot of stuck energy is there. But yeah, you will be hearing some sort of news, some sort of message, some sort of text, some sort of email when it comes to a new opportunity, when it comes to your financial world, Aquarius. Okay, lot of new opportunities will be waiting for you soon. Okay, you will be hearing from it after this, issues get solved. Right now, I don't think the issues can be solved, because yeah, once you, karmic cycle is playing its role. Once you don't feel that, things are ending properly, like once you have to complete one part of your life, and then you have to move forward into your life. Okay, so yeah, some of you might be dealing with separation as well with your partner. Okay, you might be Aquarius, and you might be dealing with a separation with your partner as well. So two things again I am seeing, that relationship issues, financial issues, relationship issues. So the people who are into separation, those will be reconciling. Okay, you reuniting, coming together. And for some of you, a new lover, new partner might enter into your life. Okay, 10 of cups in a major instability is going on into your financial world, guys. Okay, karmic cycle is playing its role. That's why there is karmic cycle. Karmic cycles are ending between 29th of July to 31st of July. But yeah, karmic cycle is playing its role into your relationship world also, for few of the Aquarius. Only 1.4% of it, the Aquarius, guys. Okay, don't take it like on a major level. Just a small percentage of the people are, suffering from a separation into their love life. Okay, and if you are into a separation, and if you are a twin flame connection, then you will be reconciling. If you are dealing with a karmic partner, then karmic partners relationship is coming to an end completely. Okay, ending of karmic cycles are happening, ending of karmic partner relationships are ending. Okay, and if you are dealing with a lot of financial issues into your career life, then justice will be served to you, because there is karmic cycle which will be coming to an end. And if once those things are ending, then your financial issues will start, getting resolved. Okay, so yeah, take it whichever part resonates with you, because I'm seeing two, stories line. Here is again a relationship thing, here is again a career related thing. Okay, lot of major instability is there. Yes, waiting game is going on. Lot of, disappointment is there, because the the hard work you did, you're not getting that kind of money right now, or the lot of, finances are stuck up right now. Okay, you just want to cut off this situation, and you want to move, or you want to switch off a new job to a new job, new business or something like that. You are thinking, planning, okay, but at the same time your money is stuck up, and that's why you are worried about it, okay. This karmic cycle is creating a lot of blockages into your financial world, okay. Yes, you're again a karmic cycle, guys. I have got first, second, third, three major karmic cycle, major shifts into your financial world, financial life. Guys, karmic cycle is creating a lot of blockages, but do not just go with the flow, because if you are blocking up a karmic cycle, no, then you should not actually, then it will be carry forward to the next life, which you should not. I think karmic cycles are good when it comes to a completion. Do not block it, just go with the flow. Don't ruin it, don't block it, don't do your stuff, just go with the flow. Whatever is happening, it after there is a lightning at the end of the tunnel, okay. So yeah, you don't have to worry about it. Just do not create blockages into your karmic cycle, okay. Because karmic cycle, if you created blockages, no, the same pattern of the financial issues and problems will recreate, okay, on its own. So you should not create it if you are doing it, okay. Don't do it. Few of are creating blockages for sure, I'm telling you that. Yeah, you want to move forward, but you cannot, because you are restricting yourself, because there is no movement. That might be because of lockdown, whatever is happening around the globe, because of this COVID-19 thing. That's why you feel blocked. You want to move to a new location, new place, new life, is you want to continue your work, but you cannot. That is the problem. And you are waiting on your financial stuff to come out, whatever your finances are stuck up, those should be come back, like those should come back, those should be solved, okay. Your financial issues are really, you are still waiting for your finances to come up. If your money was stuck up somewhere, this has not been cleared up yet, okay, that you are dealing with, and you are really thinking about it. And once you do it, you will be a lot more happy, okay. So yeah, next two cards, last two cards I'll be taking out. This sort of situation you are dealing with, Aquarius, you're sad, depressed, worried about your life, okay. You're thinking, contemplating, meditating, rejuvenating a lot about the situations right now, but at the same time, like, yeah, there is some sort of blockage created when it comes to your thinking capacity as well, because you feel a lot of sad, depressed, worried about it. Like, you are really thinking about the past, the other two cups, about your past finances, or if your relationship was not good, whatever past, each one will have a different story. This is just in general, I'm telling you. You're just sad and worried and depressed about the past, but you're not seeing those two cups which is standing in the front of you, okay. So you're not seeing the bigger picture. You are just sad about the things which are in the past. You are being going through some major healing, major transformation. You are being patient enough into your life, okay. So yeah, you are working on your stability. You want a lot of stability when it comes to your financial life, okay. Yes, you just want to move forward into your life, whatever it can be. It can be relationship, it can be career, yeah, but you just want to move a new life, to a new beginning, new life, new stability, new independent energy, okay. You are being patient enough, Aquarius. The first one, the dream, the guidance. Wow, this actually I got before also in the same reading. Like, I did a Aquarius reading few days back. In the same reading I got the same, okay. So yeah, oh wow, so we have got 4 cards. Oh my god, same cards, okay. So yeah, 5 cards I'm taking. Generally I don't take it, but yeah, I'll take it. You are twinning to a higher self. You are turning into your higher self. You are understanding you are reaching to a big level of spirituality, where you are understanding your self-worth, self-care, self-love, okay. 4 is all about creating foundation with the higher self, okay, with the divine, with the God, okay. Yes, Number six. Okay, so you guys might be dreaming, might be getting a dreams, or universe is giving you, or giving you message through dreams. Do not avoid it, take it into consideration. Okay, do not avoid any dreams which God is giving you. God is sharing an important information, important message to you with the help of your dreams. Okay, the third, guidance. So there's a lot of guidance which is being given by, which is which divine is helping you out. Divine is interfering into this situation, but he is actually giving you guidance. He might be giving you universal messages as well, but you are not understanding. So kindly take that guidance from the higher self, from the divine, and move forward. Okay, understand the situation. Courage. You are regaining your courage back. You are regaining your situation back. You are regaining your strength back. Okay, your power back, and you are regaining your courage back, and at the same time you are ready to move forward into your life. You are understanding why you are exist, why your existence matter in this world. Okay, you are understanding, you are reaching to that level of spiritual awakening where you understand that what are you supposed to do now, and how you want to move forward into your life. However, some sort of delays are going on, and that's making you very much irritated and frustrated. Okay, some sort of delays when it comes to moving forward, creating a foundation stability into your financial world, into your career world. But lot of delays are going on. Okay, that's the problem. And this is creating a lot of havoc into your life. Like you are feeling very much frustrated and irritated at the same time with all these delays which are happening around. Okay, one important thing, guys, is that into your love life, whosoever is Aquarius, and if you are having problems into your love life or married life, if you are into separation currently, then you guys will be reconciling. Okay, but it will take after few months, it will take for reconciliation or a reunion. Okay, and if you are dealing with a karmic cycle or a karmic partner into a relationship, those karmic cycles or karmic partners are coming to an end, and there will be end of a relationship, a complete full stop into a karmic partner relationship. Okay, if you are a normal soulmate, then things will be going on better on, and you will be creating a lot more happiness into each other's life, and things will be improving. Okay, if things were not before into your married life or into your relationship. Okay, so yeah, and a new lover might enter for a few of the Aquarius into this into this month or next month, next month most probably. Okay, so yeah. So yeah, this was the reading, guys. Okay, and I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Okay, and kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers, guys. Okay, bye bye, guys. Thank you so much, Aquarius.